Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to talk something really interesting. So guys, a lot of you in Canada might have heard the word tinting for your cars, like especially in the summer season due to intense sunlights coming in. A lot of people go for tinting so that you can feel somewhat comfortable. So a question arises that how does it impact dash cam footage, because dash cam is really a very important thing nowadays, and how does it really impact. So I have used it personally and I can tell you this is exactly like if you see something from your eyes and then you put a Ray-Ban, would you see any difference? The exact difference you would see in dash cam. So for the daytime footage, in like the quality of frames I have attached in my windows and other things, so daytime footage quality is okay, I don't see bad and I don't see much difference. But at night time I do have seen something is not like if it is without tinting. So I'm planning to buy a new dash cam, but as of now I'm continuing with this. So I'll keep you guys updated. But if you have a good quality dash cam, it doesn't make much difference. Even in my case it doesn't make much difference, but yes, I have noticed slight difference. So I am researching on it, on this topic, and once I have something good, I'll definitely update you guys. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll keep you updated.